Hello friends, today we are going to read a Peppa Pig book, Gardening, from the Peppa Pig 50 books collection. Let's read. It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig is in his garden. What are you doing, Grandpa? asked Peppa. I am planting seeds, says Grandpa Pig. First I make little holes, then I pop some seeds in them. After that, I cover the seeds with soil and water them, says Grandpa Pig. He picks up a watering can and sprinkles a little water on the patch. Everything in my garden grew from tiny seeds, says Grandpa Pig. Peppa points to the big apple tree. Even your apple tree? She asks. Grandpa Pig nods. Yes. Would you like to plant this seed, Peppa? asks Grandpa Pig. Yes, please, cries Peppa. You must be patient, says Grandpa Pig. Seeds can take a long time to grow. Peppa makes a little hole and drops the seed into it. She covers the seed with soil and pats it down. Peppa sprinkles water over the patch. I wonder what it's going to grow into, she says. You will see,